Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is Tats from LA. Sinisipag ako maglakad ngayon. That's why if you're familiar with the road, I'm along Manila. Matagal dito. Ayun na nga. I started walking from Cafe Una. Maglalakad lang ako. I'll just keep on walking. And medyo naihina ako. Kaya kapag naihina ako, sasakay na ako. But I brought out my camera just in case I see something interesting, I can take a photo of it. But yeah, I think I can see one now. The sky looks beautiful. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Next song is Love Story Ko by Block 9. Kahit ligaw tingin, sana ay iyong mapansin ang makumpleto ko, ang love story ko. Ito isa to sa mga magagandang daanan. Kung nagtataka ang makita siya ay kumis na ang aking mata. Kahit ligaw tingin, nagtataka. Kanina may biik, ngayon may kambing. Meh. 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 So far, it's Passenger Seat by Stephen Speaks. I hear in the passenger seat. Parang ating ng gabi, parang bang wala tayong katabi. Kaya'y sumayaw, parang hindi tayo bibitaw. I want to approach him, but I don't think I can. I'm too shy to do it. Eee. That's like the irony. It's so bad. Like the view itself is beautiful, but it's littered by trashes. Wow. Like, kaya nyo naman bumili ng tubig, but hindi nyo matapon sa tamang basurahan, guys. So bad. Kilo lang. Hi Cindy, shout out. I remember our conversation about dragon fruit. So I'm gonna try it at home. Medyo nakalayo-layo na ako. If you see that mountain, that means we're quite near. So near, yet so far. Wait, what? Kapag dadaan ka dito, amoy bubblegum. Oh wait, I forgot to update you in your playlist. What's playing now is With a Smile by Eraserheads. Through the bad times, malapit na tayo sa RC. Napapagod na ba kayo guys? This is the RC plant. Tama di ba? Planta. Or factory ng RC. Itong area ko guys, nararamdaman yung pagod ko. Kasi this one is uphill. Uphill, but like inclined yung daanan. So dito na ako hinihingal ng slide. Wow! But it's better later. It's flat na ulit after this. Ang purpose ko talaga mag-photo walk. Pero mukhang walk na lang to, wala nang photo. Slip ko na lang maglakad. Ha? Hindi. Wait. Saan? Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Saba. 1, 2. 1, 2. Saba. Wala akong page eh. Message na lang ako. Go. Thank you. Ipaparang ko sana guys. Mag-i-English lang ako. Kasi naunahan ako mag-Tagalog eh. Need ko na na-realize. Next one. Kapag may approach pa ulit sa akin. Malapit na tayo sa Padilla. Oh my God! I think I recorded that. He might have been going so fast. Na-reach ko na yung goal ko for today. Let's see. And I have to be careful. It's very different here in Antipolo. We're in Padilla. Hi guys, thank you for walking with me. This is the end of it. It's 7. Meron akong kailangan gawin kaya sasakay na ako. But we have reached kanto ng Padilla. Malapit na to sa bahay. So, ayun, next time ulit.